Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am going to make a small saucer. I've got a small saucer type mould, but I'm going to make it glow in the dark. So I found these in my stash, completely forgot buying them, and they appear to be glow in the dark crystals, I guess you could call them, chunks. So I'm going to mix these in some resin, we're going to pour it in there, then we're going to leave that under a light in the sun, and then we'll see if it glows in the dark. Got my mask on, I've got some resin mixed up, so I don't know if I can tear these. Nope. Scissors. Oh, that stayed in a clump. Two bags. I have 4 bags. There's a bit of orange in it as well. Okay, I have 4 bags, so I think I'm going to add. I'm just going to go ahead and add all 4. Oh. And then I'm just going to pour it in. And hopefully the chunks go under the lip. It has to mostly just be resin at the moment, which is a bit annoying. This is going to go horribly wrong. I'm going to try and pour out some of the resin. And then just want to make sure I get all of these glow in the dark chunks in, that's why I poured out the resin. This is messy. Very messy. Okay, well at least I know for future this mould doesn't take much resin. I'm just going to shove crystals down the sides into the mould. So messy. Right, and then hopefully I can pull that off with the craft paper. See you in a bit. What a massive mess I have made. I got way too carried away with the amount of resin to put in this small little mould. But good news is paper hasn't stuck down. I'm hopeful. Hurrah! Just prized off. Great. And then I'll have a few hours of fun picking the resin off of this mould. You see the crystals haven't really spread out that much evenly throughout. And you can kind of see, I don't know if that picks up on camera, that they have spread down the sides. I think it's where I was stabbing them down with the lolly stick. But let's take it out and have a look, and then I will leave it in the sun for a few hours and try and get some shots if it glows in the dark. Look at those little bits of resin falling off. So I think that looks quite cool. Transparent, flecked white. And I have just sliced my thumb open, trying to get that one out. But yeah, I will see if I can charge it up, and then I'll pop some video footage in, hopefully of it glowing in the dark. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Give me a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to see future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.